Spinning and skirting, I'm whipping that German. I'm bound to go get it, them bridges are burning. I'm built for the purpose, I'm putting the work in. Flat out as the team and we making them nervous. Yeah, I know we won't stop now. M4 black tints with the top down. Go pull up on the block, that's a spot.
Guys, welcome to another episode of Flat Out Media. Today, I have my sidekick with me, Mr. Scott. We are on our way out in a little cool car, isn't it? Focus RS, supplied by VG Performance once again. Big shout out to these guys down here. They've let us use their Focus RS. This has a forged engine. Don't know what the power is on it because we haven't got any power graphs with it, but they reckon it's between 400 and 500 brake horsepower. It's a really well set up car with loads of tuning potential on it. I haven't driven one of these before, so it's my first time in this, so let's take you for a little spin.
Yeah, it's little schemes. You see it? I'm pulling up. We had to get the whole squad out for this one.
Lexus.
You see it? Hit the clutch real quick, I'm pulling up. Pigs in the sky, so it's got me all.
Guys, as I said before, this car is fully forged with a load of cool extras on it. As you see, it's got different plenum, different intake. It looks really, really cool actually underneath it. It's just clean, a really nice example actually. We've done a few bits to it before sale. It's had a new hose kit fitted because I wasn't happy about how the hoses sat on it. And also had the bonnet latch done, gear cables sorted. Yeah, car is ready for sale. I think the main thing with this car is the fact that it's fully forged. When you're buying this car, if you're buying this car, what you're buying it for is that fully forged engine. I believe it's got a different turbo on it. I've spoken to the old builders of this car. It's got a different turbo on it. It's got a different. It's got obviously the engine's forged. You could do with that, I believe. And if you change the turbo on it, you could get 600-700 horse, which I think is what it ran previously. So we'll have a little sound check of it now. Drive it off before anybody hears anything. But I suppose if you're using it as a little toy, obviously I use all my, as you know, I use all my stuff as every day of the week. For me, this is a little bit loud. Goes well.
It's just when you change the gears, then bangs you get about an ear piercing.
They are, isn't it?
Crazy.
feature handling. The only thing I like is hydro, so if you're going to mess around with the stance and stuff like that, can't beat a good set of coilovers on this. Wow. Wow. I wasn't expecting that. Oh,
Bro, you just deafened him. Jesus!
Woo! Did he have his window down?
Oh, mate, you're a horrible guy.
Go mad, didn't he? I didn't realise it was it. Would it go bang?
It made quite a loud bang, actually.
There's a woman, isn't it? She's done the cafe.
Proudly delivering for the NHS. Hopefully they can
Hearing aid.
deliver your hearing. Oh, mate.
It's loud.
Why did you do that to the poor person?
I didn't need to. I didn't even see where she was.
That's why she's in front. She's like, come on, Yaris, you got to move. I don't want to go for round 2. There's a tunnel coming up.
Let's see if we get the Penguin tunnel. Oh, she's naughty. That is so good. It handles beautifully though. It's like everything's really well set up. I say I've never driven up through the window.
I'll tell you what, right,
Cool.
strip it out, cage it, this thing would be an animal on a track.
Yeah, it would. It
An
really
absolute
would.
animal. You could make this into such a cool little track toy.
I mean, but as it is, I mean, you know, even just what we're doing there, you know, I didn't even go, well, I suppose I didn't go above illegal speed limits for once. But it actually, it's just the way it handles, you can just tell, like, this would be serious on track, you know. I say I'm not going to give it too much pain because I say it's another one that's for sale and not my car. So hopefully someone will come along and buy it soon, and this will be on its way out to a new owner to enjoy. On that note, stay flat out. We'll see you next
Pushing
time.
that button, no need to put key in. If I see police, then you know that I'm leaving. I'm seeing, I'm fleeing. I hop in this BM or C63 and be back by the PM. Dropping on a double clutch, cops wanna follow us, can't keep up. Well, they know there is a lot of us. Speed needs topping up, weed needs chopping up, bad bees popping up, little schemes, lot of love. Mustang Sally gonna take you for a spin, gonna let that shit pop like I'm letting off the ting. That's a pink slip race, so you know I gotta win. That's an RS6 blacked out with the tints. Left them in dust and ain't seen them man since. Gave them the blues and they left me the prints. That's a Lamborghini, are you taking the piss? Come and step in my office, I'll give you a glimpse. Hit the clutch real quick, I'm pulling up. Pigs in the sky, so it's got me all looking up. Trying to tell me that this V12 ain't good enough. If you ain't ever burnt rubber, you ain't heard enough. I'm pulling up, 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 I'm pulling up. Hit the clutch real quick, I'm pulling up. Pigs in the sky, so it's got me all looking up. Trying to tell me that this V12 ain't good enough. If you ain't ever burnt rubber, you ain't hood enough. I'm pulling up, 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 I'm pulling up. Ripping and burning, no flipping and turning. A whipping excursion or beam or murking. We'll leave you bits twerking. I see it for certain that she gon' be flirting. She really determined. Spinning and skirting, I'm whipping that German. I'm bound to go get it. Them bridges are burning. I'm built for the purpose. I'm putting the work in. Flat out as the team and we making them nervous. Yeah, I know we won't stop now. M4 black tints with the top down. Go pull up on the block, that's a spot now. Can't wait to go catch me it up now. He get the drop now. Time to go skir out. Hit the clutch real quick, that's a burnout. Keep it real and go fuck what you heard about. If I see them blue lights, then I turn round. You getting murked now. Hit the clutch real quick, I'm pulling up. Pigs in the sky, so it's got me all looking up. Trying to tell me that this V12 ain't good enough. If you ain't ever burnt rubber, you ain't hood enough. I'm pulling up, 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 I'm pulling up. Hit the clutch real quick, I'm pulling up. Pigs in the sky, so it's got me all looking up. Trying to tell me that this V12 ain't good enough. If you ain't ever burnt rubber, you ain't hood enough. I'm pulling up, 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 I'm pulling up.